I actually was recommended to Dr. Holzman by my gynecologist. I had a pretty traumatic experience with a appendectomy gone wrong when I was a kid, and so it left me without a navel. It left me with a lot of scar tissue around that area. And so I just that was when I was like 5, 6 years old, and I sort of went through life with it. But I finally came in because as I was getting older, it was starting to interfere with my ability to buy clothes, and I couldn't wear a two-piece bathing suit, and it was just kind of a pain. I had also lost quite a bit of weight, and I was noticing that it wasn't improving at all. So I came to see him initially for that. And while we were discussing the abdominoplasty that would basically reconstruct my stomach, my breasts were very large at the time actually, and so he actually was like, "What do you want to do about your boobs?" So at first I was a little reluctant to do anything with that because, you know, everybody pays to have breasts, and so I was like, why would you want to take mine away? The experience with the office has actually been really great. The first time I came in to fill out the paperwork, of course they didn't know me, but anytime I came in after that, either prior to the surgery or afterwards, as soon as I would walk in the door, they knew who I was, they knew what time my appointment was. I didn't have to check in, just sat down. They always called to verify the appointments, and they've always been really friendly, and they were really good about answering all of my questions because I was kind of a pain after my surgery. I just had a lot of questions. I hadn't had surgery since I was a kid, and so any little thing that happened that I wasn't sure of, that, and my mother was with me, so anything that happened where she was just like, "Call the doctor," I called, and they were great. I would like to say that I'm probably the breast reduction poster child. I come across people all the time who have large breasts, and we just get to talking. Like I go get my hair done, and my hairstylist is like, "Oh, you should talk to her. She had a breast reduction." And as far as breast reduction is concerned, I would say to anybody, if you have a hard time trying on dresses because no matter how big the size goes, it stops at the middle of your back and you can't get past it because your boobs are so big, or if you have to wear 3 sports bras like I did when I went for a run, it is an incredible experience. The first time you go to try on dresses, or like the first time I got on the treadmill and I ran with just 1 sports bra, I felt like I could run for days. It was just such an amazing feeling. And then, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, trying on clothes is so much fun. I end up going into the stores just to try stuff on. Okay, I spend a lot of money, but that's not the point of going. It's nice to be able to feel normal, I guess is the best way of putting it, and not feeling like, you know, I'm gonna fall over or my body's, you know, ill-shaped. So I say go for it.